Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to stop being added group chats on Messenger, and all we have to do is to launch our Facebook application, and then from here we are going to tap on the news, and then we're going to tap on settings and privacy. Then we're going to tap on settings. From there we are going to head on over to our account center. We're going to tap on our some details, and then we're going to tap on once we are at our personal details account ownership. Once you've done that, you're going to be taken to account ownership and control. I would suggest that you tap on deactivate, and then you're going to choose the account that you would like to deactivate. Let's say I decide to deactivate in case woman. From there, we're going to make sure that we have tapped on deactivate account, or our blue dots is at the deactivation account. From there, we're going to tap on continue. From there, we're going to create a password before we deactivate the account. From there, we are going to password. From there, they are going to send us a code at our Gmail application. Once you tap on continue, and in the case that you did not receive that Gmail, you can just tap on send code again, and once they've sent you the code that they want to send you, you are going to be able to access the account, and you are going to be able to deactivate that account. And then we should remember that we can only deactivate our account once a week. So after that, we are going to be able to stop being added to group chats on the Messenger application. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.